Hi, this is Sharon Davis with the Home Baking Association, and I give you some tips on baking with your kids. Start with an apron that has an adjustable strap. Use spoons that have large handles and ditch the spoons with the sharp-edged metal surfaces. Use large-handled whisks that they can whisk the dry ingredients forever, and use a bowl that has a grip on the base. If you don't have a grip, go for a wet washcloth. Small bowls that let them add the leavener that you measured. Go for dry ingredient and liquid ingredients that are standardized and have large numbers on them so they learn them. Get a scale like the pros use and they will love it. Use a scoop so their muffins turn out the same size. Use thermometers that let them learn that the product is done baking. And roll with the best with a dowel rod or a small tool that helps them roll. And come visit us at homebaking.org.